Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to install Free Fire on your PC. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So to install Free Fire on your PC, you're going to need an emulator installed on your PC. Here I am using the BlueStacks mobile emulator. You can download it by simply performing a Google search by typing BlueStacks download, and you'll be able to download this application. Once you have completed the installation process of BlueStacks, you'll see a similar interface to this. Now to install Free Fire on your PC, go ahead and on the search box that appears on the top left corner of your screen, type Free Fire and hit enter. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see the Free Fire Max option. Go ahead and click on it. Click on Install on App Player, and then Free Fire Max should start downloading on your PC. Once your Free Fire Max application has finished downloading, it will start installing a few minutes after. As you can see, you get this notification that reads installation complete. Once your installation has been complete, your Free Fire Max application will open on its own. Go ahead and click on Confirm. Click on Allow. And as you can see, you'll be able to use Free Fire Max on your PC as easy as that. And this is how you can install Free Fire Max application onto your PC. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.